this is a type of lily. And here we are going to see all of the parts of the lily. We're going to need some scissors. And we're going to cut off part of the stem. Here we have a flower. This one is yellow. The petals make what we know as the corolla. But not all of these are petals. The ones that are attached to the stem, well, are called, well, first of all, this part right here is called the calyx. Right here. It forms a little cup. And so these petals that are attached to it are part of the calyx. And this is what makes the corolla, these three petals. Okay, so I'm going to cut off the calyx, and then I'm going to gently pull out the corolla. Corolla, what is left here is part of the calyx, but here we'll have the central part of it. I'll move the petals out of the way and I'll show you what we can do with them. This right here is our tallest filament, and this is called the pistil. It's our longest one. And then around it we have stamens. These are all stamens. And on the ends of them we have where the plant keeps its pollen. The way for this plant to be fertilized and get some seeds growing here in the ovary, which is right at the base of our plant, right inside here, that's where the ovary is that pollen from a different flower or from the same flower will land on the pistil. So pollen from the stamens lands on the pistil, and then the pollen travels down into the flower's ovary. And then seeds will start forming inside here. When the flower dies and it has been fertilized, it will wither, which means that it will get all brown and crumbly. And then when it dies, the seeds will be released and they will fall onto the ground and new plants will start to grow. So what we're going to do with the flower is we're going to need some tape, and we're going to attach our parts of the plant and then label them. So we're going to remove the pistil. We're going to remove the stamens. These are the stamens. And you will see, if we look way inside here, you can see that it goes all the way inside where the ovary is. Look at it. That's the pistil going all the way down. And we will see the plant's ovary. Right there. So let's tape these up and label them. This part is called the calyx, and these are sepals. They are a little bit like leaves, but they are made to look like the flower. Calyx, corolla, stamens, and pistil. Thank you for watching.